Let's make this creamy, sweet, and comforting banana porridge. Coconut milk. Cinnamon leaf, cinnamon stick, orange peel, nutmeg mace. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Evaporated milk, nice and creamy. If the consistency is too thick for you, you can just loosen up. You can just loosen it out with some milk or water. Salt. Cover for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Nutmeg, vanilla, almond spice. Now it's the time to add your sweetener. You can use any sweetener you like. Let's go serve this up. I also got some super seeds I'm gonna add to it. So it's pumpkin seed, chia seeds, sunflower seeds. So it's chia seed, flax seed, hemp seed, pumpkin seed, and sunflower seeds. Okay. So what are you gonna do? All right, let's go. Come on. All right, let's try it. We're gonna give them some.
Takes a look.
You usually like textured porridge, like rice porridge, hominy corn, oats porridge. You don't really like smooth porridge, but I tell her to try this one today. Let's try it. We go like this around the edge. We go around the edge like this. It's too smooth for you?
Okay. It's not bad.
I like it. 6, 7.
It's good. Not gonna lie, it's not that bad.
Love it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. The recipe will be uploaded on my blog. I'm gonna leave a recipe down in the description box or down in the comment below. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.